Makikita nyo na from this, wala na tayong picture na nilagay, to this, na na-highlight lahat ng skills niya and na-make sure natin na it's ATS-friendly. Hey guys, it's me again, Brayarn. So for today's video, nag-ask ako sa IG broadcast ko kung may willing sa kanila na ipakita yung resume nila and I can review their resume because I'm going to be, ito nga yung content ko ngayon, I'm going to show lang how I personally strategized when I convert or transform my resume and make it more personalized to the job when I'm applying. So, ito yung sample natin. So, tinakloban lang natin yung iba niyang details. Hindi nyo naman siya siguro makikilala sa mga ganitong details na lang. So, yan. So, ang kailangan lang natin is first, of course, yung resume ni Sample. So, thank you so much for allowing me. Wow. For allowing me to show your resume. And next natin kailangan is this one. So we really need this because this is going to be our guide or pwede nyo ding i-check as a guide para i-improve yung resume nyo. And then now we're going to also check, we're going to use Online Jobs PH because I'm going to be showing you like how I usually check job applications and then how I personalize my resume to the job application. Hindi po ako yung tipo ng tao na basta lang lahat ng resume ko, papasa ko sa 10 application. So, pinapersonalize ko sila because I also check the background of the company. Ganyan. So, next is we need this template. So, you may use this template or you may not. I'm not requiring you to use this, but this is how I usually create my resume. Pero depende pa din most especially sa structure niya. Pwedeng yung core competencies and tools proficiency ay nasa baba. Pwedeng yung experience ay nasa taas. Pwedeng yung education ay nasa taas. Depende siya sa type of role na applyan mo. But if you're applying as an executive assistant, I highly suggest na you put your tools proficiency and core competencies sa taas para makita agad ng mga clients kung ano yung kaya mo and if i-entertain ka ba nila. Ganon. So, there you go. First is we're going to be checking yung resume. So, ito yung resume niya. And we're going to transform this to this. So, we're just going to make a copy. So, you can check this, guys, Brayarn Free Resources. Check the templates. And then you check this one, which is, where's that? This one. So, resume template. There you go. Ganyan. And, yeah. So, we're just going to make a copy. And, save this natin to sa drive. There you go. Sa drive. Where's the drive? Okay, my drive, select. And let's name this like, for example, Brayarn. Ano ang apelyido ko? TikTok na lang ang apelyido ko. Brayarn TikTok. So, for example, this is your first name and last name. Brayarn TikTok. Ganyan. So, hindi natin ilalagay yung pangalan ni Kuya na sample natin. And then you put I personally how I create my file name. Of course, I wanna make sure na personalized din siya sa job and hindi rin ako nalilito. Ganyan. So for example, today is December 18th. So let's put 12/08/2023. And so ibig sabihin ito yung latest update ng resume na to. So kapag naging 18 pala. 12/18. So, kunwari maging 20. Ibig sabihin, ang latest update nito is December 20. And then, ano yung job? So, for example, job is EA2 or EA sample na sa nag-a-apply. Ganyan. So, EA. Make a copy. There you go. So, for example, ito ay naghahanap siya ng EA role. So, we're going to use this. So, reformat lang natin to. There you go. So, simple lang naman siya. Brayarn, TikTok. And then, contact number natin is, let's say, 9012345624687. There you go. And then, email address natin is, may email address tayo, brayarn@gmail.com. And then LinkedIn URL natin, let's say, there you go. For example, it's going to be linkedin.com. Yan. Brayarn. So, hindi naman totoo to, guys. So, wag niyo i-visit kasi hindi naman totoong LinkedIn yan. There you go. So, tapos na tayo. And then next is, bago natin palitan yung career objective, yung core competencies, tools, proficiency, let's first look at jobs. So let's try online jobs PH and then let's search yung role natin, executive assistant, and let's see. So we can look for part-time if part-time lang kayo available or full-time or gig lang siya. So let's say full-time. So gusto nating full-time job and then let's check tayo ng mga applications dyan or job post. And then let's say ito yung apply natin. Executive assistant, remote, 14, I think this is less than 12, so 1,200 per month. So ito na pala, 50,000 to 60,000 daw, ganyan. So of course, we're going to first check the job application, kung ano yung kailangan nila or ano yung requirement nila. So babasahin lang natin siya. There you go, ito yung mga core focus daw, and then responsibilities, ito yon. And then ito yung mga qualification nila based on the soft skills. And then, ayan, ito naman yung mga ayaw nila. And then, mga perks na nandiyan na yan. And then, ito na yung mismong specifics about the role. And then, ito na din yung expectations. Diba, magaganda yung mga ganitong post. May KPIs din and qualifications. Possesses good communication skills, proficiency, and tech tools like Slack, project management software, ClickUp. There you go. And then, wala namang nakalagay, guys. So, walang nakalagay na specific number of years of experience. Wala ding background na specific. Ibig sabihin, let's review our resume. For example, resume ko to. Review ko yung experiences ko. Qualified ba ako sa job post na to? Yes na yes. Kasi wala namang nakalagay na qualification at least 2 years of ganito, ganyan. So, walang nakalagay. Ibig sabihin, pwede tayo mag-apply. So, doon pa lang natin i-customize. Hindi tayo apply. Tapos, hindi naman tayo qualified, di ba? So, mahirapan lang tayo. Or parang niloloko lang natin sarili natin. So, mayroon nang nakalagay dito na please send a copy of your resume to this person. There you go. So, ito na yung instruction. So, first, we're going to check so this is the San Diego business. Ano ba yung pangalan ng nila? Business nila. So, wala nakalagay. So, paano natin to? There you go. So, pwede natin gagawin to na EA and then nakita natin yung post. This was December 15. Okay. So, ibig sabihin yan. So, depende naman sa inyo yan, guys. Pwede naman kayong i-personalize nyo na ganun na. Basta, ma-make sure nyo lang na hindi kayo malilito. Kasi baka 10 applications na yung ina-apply nyo din nalilito kayo. So, let's try to improve the resume na nito. So, first, we're going to focus on the objective. So, we're going to just put 1 to 2 sentences, career objective, and let's make sure na it's streamlined, I mean, it's personalized dito sa job application na to para naman, 'di ba, makita ni client kung ano talaga yung para sa iyo or kung fit ka ba talaga. So we're going to integrate yung kung ano mang nakalagay dito and then sa core sa objective. So just 1 to 2 sentences and there you go, guys. Tapos na tayo sa career objective. Ang career objective natin is to leverage my 6 years of experience in sales. So meron tayong quantity. Syempre mas mababa. Oh, wow! Mababa, amazing! Si client, ganyan. 6 years of experience in sales, customer service, administrative roles, committed to applying my strong organizational skills and independent work ethic as an EA. Kasi, kinonsider natin yung fitability or yung suitability ng role kay kuya na sample natin. So, of course, kinonsider natin yung customer service experience niya, yung sales experiences niya, and VA experience. Ganyan. So, makikita nyo na kinonsider din natin yung goal niya. Like, let's say lang, hindi ko naman, kasi wala siyang career objective dito. So, my goal is to effectively support strategic initiatives and contribute to a culture of excellence and innovation. Why? Because we, again, considered the job description. So, hindi po siya basta ko lang ginawa. Ginawa po natin siya based sa job description. And makikita nyo na very important kasi yung strategic initiatives when you are an EA. So, pag mag-apply kayo sa EA role, very, very important itong strategic initiatives na na skills or soft skills na meron tayo. And then, let's say naman na maghahanap naman tayo ng core competencies. So, based sa job description, and I don't know naman yung mismong competencies niya, pero nakalagay siya dito na customer service, healthcare processes, medical billing, data entry, sales, virtual assistants. So, ang question natin is, ilalagay ba natin lahat ang expertise na 'to dito sa sa resume natin? The answer is no, because hindi naman nila kailangan ng healthcare processes expertise mo, medical, billing expertise mo. Siyempre yung very, very important lang na competencies na meron ka. So, siyempre naglagay na tayo ng strong organizational skills and independent work ethic dito. So, hindi na natin siya lalagyan dito ng mga ganyan. So, pwede na namang bawasan 'to, pwede namang kahit ilan lang, ganyan. So, make sure lang na i-highlight nyo kung ano ba yung what sets you apart sa ibang applicants. There you go, guys. So, makikita nyo na ito na yung core competencies natin. Meron tayong 6, so binawasan ko. Hindi naman kailangan na siyam talaga. Ayun lang talaga yung nasa template. So, sales and client relations, high-level admin support, leadership and team management. So, naka-based siya dito sa kanyang experience. Again, hindi ko siya kilala personally. Pero possible because of his experiences ay malagay niya tong or meron siyang expertise sa mga ganitong bagay. Accountability and performance tracking, social media assistance. Again, nakadepende siya dito. Hindi lang natin siya gawa-gawa. Nakadepende siya sa kailangan ng company na ito. There you go. And then, tools proficiency naman. So, very, very important na maglagay tayo ng tools proficiency. Meron na namang mga nakalagay dito na tools proficiency, but let's say alam ni Kuya ang Google Workspace, and then alam ni Kuya yung Microsoft products, and then let's say marunong siya ng Slack, marunong siya ng ClickUp, marunong siyang gumamit ng Canva, marunong siyang gumamit ng QuickBooks, and then for example, marunong din siya, ano pa bang tool na kailangan daw dito? So, HubSpot, like let's say, marunong din siya ng HubSpot, and let's say Zoom, marunong siya ng Zoom, and then marunong siya ng social media platforms. There you go. So, tanggalin na natin to. So, let's say ito yung expertise niya ng mga tools. And syempre, sobrang mag-highlight dyan yung Slack, yung HubSpot, and ClickUp based on the need ng job application. And then, so yung iba tinanggal na lang natin or dagdag na lang tayo ng iba. And then, experiences naman, of course, you're going to put your company one. Syempre dito, yung mga relevant lang. Though I see that all of this naman ay relevant dito sa role niya. And makikita nyo na medyo hindi siya karamihan. So, I guess na pinutol niya rin yung iba niyang experiences or hindi niya nilagay. Pero, yeah. So, pwede natin siyang ilagay lahat dito, 3. So, pwede kayo maglagay siguro 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 experiences dito kasi hindi naman kailangan na ilalagay nyo lahat. Basta yung importante lang. So, for example, nangailangan si client ng experience sa ganito, ganyan. So, dapat naka-focus doon. Hindi tayo lalayo na ang kailangan ni client ay ganito, tapos nilagay mo na yung experience mo sa pagiging flight attendant mo, mga ganong bagay. So, yung mga relevant experiences lang. And let's say, ito, ilalagay ko lang lahat ng mga to. So, there you go. Nalagay ko na yung 3 niyang company. So, since wala na tayong company 4, tanggalin na natin to. Delete. And then, since wala din siyang location, so ilagay na natin siya sa taas para hindi siya magmukhang pangit. Yung format. Kasi kailangan natin, guys, yung consistency. Very, very important, guys, yung consistency. And makikita nyo na ito, so, yung pinaka-recent, so ako lang personally and based on my research din, mas maganda or based on my HR friends, mas maganda na you highlight of course your recent experience kasi ayun naman yung pinaka-importante. Like let's say, tumagal ka dun sa company na yan, ano yung experiences mo, ano yung mga responsibilities mo, and then ano yung naging impact nun and focus on quantity. Hindi natin kailangang ilagay yung parang mga unnecessary na experiences na yung parang yung mga simple task na ginawa mo na ilalagay mo pa siya dito. So, make sure na you highlight kung ano yung experiences mo na relevant dito sa experience nito or dito sa requirement, 'di ba? So, make sure to put quantity if may quantity. So, wag naman tayo magkunwari-kunwari ng mga quantity. Yung mga ano lang, make it quantifiable. And then results driven. And then make sure to put yung mga action words. So makikita nga natin dito na ito na guys. So kung gusto nyo humanap ng mga action verbs, make sure to click or research this PDF. So search nyo lang Harvard resume template, ganyan. Makikita nyo na agad to. And then makikita nyo na meron kayong pwedeng ilagay dito na make sure it's action. As much as possible, make it bulleted para hindi na sobrang haba na babasahin ni client, ganyan, ma-highlight mo talaga yung skills mo. So, there you go. So, let's try to add lang based on these experiences and then i-align natin dito sa experience ng job posting. There you go, guys. So, makikita nyo na meron tayong experiences, meron tayong 5 bullets for the most recent one, 3 bullets for the second to the most recent one, and then the last one. So, lahat ng to nakadepende siya sa resume na meron nga dito. There you go. And though yung mga numbers dito ay ano lang, invento-invento lang. Pero I don't suggest na mag-invento-invento kayo ng mga numbers. Dapat yung ano talaga, like realistic talaga na na-achieve nyo if hindi man kayo sure sa exact quantity. Pero make it quantifiable. So makikita nyo na lahat ng to ay nag-a-align siya na nagpapakita na may skills ka talaga when it comes to supporting executives based on the job description na meron tayo dito. Yan. So, lahat yan nakadepend. So, coordinated sales strategies and client interactions ay aligning with the executive team's goal. Ibig sabihin, it shows that you know how to align yourself with the executives or executive teams. And then, makikita nyo dito yung operations workflows. Of course, as an EA, you're going to also help with the operations. And makikita nyo din dito na hinighlight ko din yung award niya as top 2 performer. There you go. And use yung mga words, guys. Make sure not to use yung mga sobrang malalalim na words. Why? Kasi we're targeting an ATS-friendly resume. And ayaw naman natin na makikita ng client na sobrang lalalim na mga words nyo, na mga action words nyo, tapos hindi nila maintindihan, and then ligwak agad kayo. Makikita nyo lahat ng yan, mabababaw lang yung mga salitang yan, pero sobrang lakas ng impact because it highlights or they highlight your responsibilities, they highlight your impact sa company previously, and also, at the same time, you're also highlighting how perfect you are for this role. There you go. And then, last na lang natin is education, which is very, very easy. High school. School. Hindi naman specified. So, let's say, ano na lang siya. STEM student. Decision. So, 2016 to 2018. There you go, guys. So, kompleto na ang resume niya. So, pwede nyo na lang itong i-download. Ganyan, makikita nyo na from this, wala na tayong picture na nilagay, to this, na na-highlight lahat ng skills niya, and na make sure natin na it's ATS-friendly. I mean, i-download natin siya. So, download natin, PDF, and then, let's see it. There you go. Diba? Sobrang ano lang, sobrang peaceful tignan, and sobrang clean tignan. So, I hope this video helped you guys.